In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. If you're just getting started with Calendly, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless way for your LinkedIn connections to schedule meetings with you, simplifying the process and enhancing your networking efficiency. To kick things off, ensure that you're logged into your Calendly account on your device. This is essential because you'll need access to your Calendly dashboard to follow along with the steps. Once you're all set there, go ahead and switch over to LinkedIn by opening your profile in a separate tab. Having both tabs open and ready will allow you to navigate quickly between them, ensuring a smooth integration process. Now let's head back to your Calendly dashboard. Here you'll want to look for the Integrations and Apps section. It might feel a bit hidden at first, but it's actually the key to connecting your Calendly with various apps, including LinkedIn. Once you've spotted it, click to open it up. From there, focus your attention on the option called Extensions and Apps. This is where you can find all the available extensions that enhance the functionality of your Calendly account, making it more versatile and efficient. Within this section, locate and select LinkedIn Messaging. You'll see an option to download for Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. Chrome is often the preferred browser for these types of integrations due to its compatibility and wide range of extensions. So make sure you're using it throughout this process for optimal results. When the prompt appears, click on Add to Chrome. This action will initiate the installation of the extension. Chrome might take a moment to process this, so just give it a second to complete. The final step in this integration process is to click Add Extension when you're asked. This step is crucial as it finalizes the entire process, allowing your Calendly link to incorporate directly into your LinkedIn profile. You'll know it's worked when you see a confirmation notification on your screen, indicating that the installation is complete and successfully integrated. And that's it. You've now successfully added your Calendly link to LinkedIn. With this nifty integration, anyone visiting your profile can easily schedule meetings with you, streamlining the process and saving you the hassle of back and forth scheduling negotiations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step tutorials. We're always here to help make your tech experiences a bit smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.